Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about WhatsApp transfer using UltFone Transfer. You can transfer Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android. Like if any customer coming for transfer WhatsApp to WhatsApp, business to business, then you can easily transfer without any problem using UltFone Transfer. Make WhatsApp to WhatsApp business transfer backup and restore never. So like that you can transfer using this tool. So I will show you step by step after download and after active this tool directly transfer WhatsApp to WhatsApp business. And I used to Android to iPhone. I mean anyone coming for iPhone and Android, he transfer iPhone to Android. Also you can using this tool. Also if you have backup, also you can transfer without any problem. Compatible iOS, iOS, iPad OS and 15 and Android 11. So in this video I will show you how to transfer using UltFone Transfer. After download, just open this tool. I have already opened. Just wait a few seconds, close and open again. After open UltFone Transfer, then click WhatsApp business, and here two options. I just unlock my devices and connect. Okay, now select from Android to iPhone. Okay, click transfer. Now I click this one, continue. Now as you can see, what to do, click open and go to setting and go to chat and go to backup WhatsApp and you click never. After click never, click this one. So as you can see how to do this. Okay, now click continue. Okay, second step, wait few minutes. Okay, now search your country. Okay, just click verify. Continue. Okay, okay. Verification code is please try again, because I already tried too much, that's why coming like that. So right now if I click call me, just wait a few seconds. No idea coming call or not. If coming, then I input.
Your verification code is 101581. Your verification code is 101581.
Okay,
Your verification code is
click continue.
101581. Your verification code is 101581.
Okay, now I verify code, because without verify code we can't back up. Now at few minutes, so I need to transfer from Samsung to iPhone. More people don't know how to transfer, that's why using UltFone Transfer, this is very good for everyone. Now restore to the target devices. So now restore this one. After restore successful, then you can use. Now as you can see, restore the. Wait for finish. After finish, we will check our data transfer or not, because I hope all transfer same like before without any problem. Now coming 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, so wait. Successful to transfer right now. So Samsung to iPhone. Now automatically we bought iPhone, so no need to connect this one, no problem right now. So we will wait for run. After run, we will show you. Now after run, I just open. After run, I just open WhatsApp and I will show you. Click and I put my number, whose number I active. I mean same number like that, and okay, put number. So like that. As you can see, it's all number coming same to same. Okay, so like that you can transfer everything using this tool. So I hope understand, I hope like this video. If like this video, please press the like button. If you subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, never miss new other update. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.